To use a photo as the watch face of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is easy. You're going to begin by opening up the Galaxy Wearable app, and then you're going to navigate to Watch Faces. Next, scroll to the section labeled Photos and go ahead and select it. Now from here, you can choose between the three options available. So you have this one right here, you have this one, and you have this one. So this is portrait, photo, and just sticker. So it's up to you to decide which option you would prefer. And then from here, you can go ahead and customize how you want it to look like. If you don't like how any of the previews do look like, you can tap on this edit button like so. And once it takes you to the editing menu, you can choose your layout. You can choose which photo you're going to use, your complication color, as well as if you want to add or remove emojis. So go ahead and customize all of that. You can go ahead and just add your specific image, whether from the gallery or from the camera app. And then once you find your image and you've selected it, you can just go ahead and adjust it to suit your liking. When you do that, you can also choose to change the brightness, the contrast, highlights, all sorts of things. And then you can go ahead and select save. Now from here, you should be able to see how it looks like. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and remove the photo and customize it again. To change the complications, which is just these items here, the widgets, you're going to select complications, and then each complication has a number. So you have 1, 2, 3, and even more available. So you can go ahead and just choose to change whichever complication that you want. So go ahead and choose which options you prefer. And once you do that, you're going to just go ahead and select the option apply. And now you should be able to see your brand new watch face that you've created using your photo. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.